Saramonic just keeps coming with great advances in the wireless microphone world. And this time, they've just released the Saramonic Air, a $139 dual channel wireless microphone setup that's small with great audio quality. Before I jump to the specs and do some audio tests, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jonah August. I'm a wedding filmmaker based in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm happy that you're here. This video is sponsored by Saramonic, using the Saramonic Air as my main audio source, as you can see here. So let's jump right into this. Starting with its design and specs, there's a transparent metal charging case powered by USB-C, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Each transmitter comes with a wind muff and a magnet for mounting, or you can mount it via the built-in clip. They have power buttons, and what's amazing is that you can connect a lav mic into these, even though it's so tiny. You can purchase Saramonic Air with lav mics for an additional $20. Quick cut here, I wanted to show you guys that this headphone jack is super secure. Like, it sits tightly in there. This isn't going anywhere. It requires a bit of effort even to pull it out. So you can trust this, that it's not gonna pop out. It's gonna stay secure the whole time while using it. That gives you a lot more confidence. Even though it's not the screw-in option, I like how they still made it secure, giving you more confidence while using it. Battery life on these transmitters is up to 9 hours. The receiver has a detachable clip for mounting. It has a display to access all your settings and has USB-C. Saramonic also has a Sony adapter so that you can use this receiver directly into your camera without the need for cables. This adapter is $30. If you don't have a Sony camera, they include a cable as well. It has noise cancellation and other features you can adjust. The battery life on the receiver is up to 6 hours with the screen on. For mobile users, there's USB-C and Lightning adapters. Now, unlike the Saramonic Ultra, which I've previously reviewed on this channel, it does not internally record. It rather sends a signal to the receiver that's connected to your camera and has it linked to your video in real time. The downside to this is that you don't have that internal backup. That may be one reason why you'd want to choose the Ultra instead of the Air. But on the plus side, they've made this extremely small, which is perfect for content creators. Let's move on to an audio test now. Starting with just the transmitter's built-in mic with no post-processing. How does this sound to you? The whole video up until now has been the Air with processing, but now you're hearing it unprocessed. Now I'm testing it out with some post-processing. How does it sound? Do you think that it sounds better than before? Let's test out the transmitters with the lav mics now. Here's the audio without any post-processing done. How does it sound? Do you like the audio quality? Now here it is with some post-processing done. Does it sound good to you? Does this setup sound better with the built-in mics or when using the lav mics? All right, friends, that is my review of the brand new Saramonic Air for only $139. This is a good deal for such a great kit. The level how small it is, it doesn't take up too much room in your bag. It's easy to set up to get you going right away. With adding in the Sony adapter and the lav mics, the total is only $200 US, which is quite inexpensive for a full setup. I think this rivals the other options on the market right now, but I want to know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I've linked the Saramonic Air along with some other resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.